Good day, everyone. In this lesson, we are going to solve question number 1 on NECO 2020 General Mathematics. So as you can see, the question says find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 6, 5 and minus 2, 7. That's the first part of the question. The second part of the question says evaluate integral of 2x plus 9 dx. That's the limit from minus 1 to 2. So you take the first part of the question, that is to find the equation of a straight line that passes through these points. So to find the equation of a straight line, the equation of a straight line is given as this: y is equal to mx plus c, where this m is the gradient and this c is the intercept, and y is the dependent variable, x is an independent variable. So to find the equation, we have to find the gradient first. So to find the gradient, if you are given with any two coordinate points, you are asked to find the gradient. You are going to use the formula y is equal to, m is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So this y2 and y1, x2 and x1 are the coordinates. That's the given coordinates. So this first value is x1, the second value is y1, then the first value in the second point is x2, y2. So our gradient will be 7, that is y2, which is 7 minus y1, which is 5, all over x2 minus 2 minus x1, which is 6. So our gradient will be 7 minus 5 is 2, and minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8. So if you reduce this fraction to this lowest form, you will end up getting 1 minus 1 all over 4, because 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So this is the gradient of the straight line that passes through these points. So to find the equation of the line, so we have to use this formula: y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So let's take this point and substitute it from the given formula, and we have already know our gradient, which is minus 1 all over 4. So we'll have y minus our y1 is 5 is equal to our gradient is minus 1 all over 4, that is m, into x minus our x1 is 6. So if you rewrite this expression, we'll just write it like as this: minus x minus 6 all over 4. So let me cross multiply. I will multiply this by 4 so that to make the equation to be linear. So we have 4 into y minus 5 is equal to, let me expand this with this negative sign, have minus x plus 6. So let me open this bracket. We have 4y minus 5 minus 20, is equal to minus x plus 6. So let me collect everything to right hand side so that we have 4y plus x minus 20 minus 6, everything is equal to 0. So minus 20 minus 6 is minus 26. So we have 4y plus x minus 26 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the straight line that passes through this coordinate point. So this is the first part of the equation. Then the second part of the question said evaluate the integral of 2x plus 9 dx from minus 1 to 2. So this is the question. We are asked to integrate this expression with respect to x from minus 1 to 2. So the general formula for integration said if you have if you are asked to find integral of x to the power of n with respect to x. Integral of x to the power of n is with respect to x is equal to x into the power n, x to the power of n plus 1 log by n plus 1 plus c. So example, if you have, let's say, x to the power of 3, you are asked to integrate this. So this is the same thing as x to the power of 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 plus c, which is equal to x to the power of 4 all over 4 plus c. So the same thing, we're going to apply this formula to this function. So as you can see, this is 2x to the power of 1 plus 9x to the power of 0, because anything to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. So there is x here, but its power is 0. So we have 2x to the power of 1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus 9x to the power of 0 plus 1 all over 0 plus 1. Then the limit is from minus 1 to 2. So if we further simplify this, you'll get 2x squared all over 2 plus 9x. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have minus 1 to 2. These two will take care of this. So we have x squared plus 9x from minus 1 to 2. So from here, we are going to substitute the values, that's the upper limit minus the lower limit. So we have 2 to the power of 2, because our upper limit is 2. We are going to substitute it here in place of x. So we have 2 raised to the power 2 plus 9 into 2, that's the upper limit, minus the lower limit, which is minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 9 into minus 1. So if we further simplify this, we'll get 2x squared, 2 squared is 4 plus 9 times 2 is 18 minus 1 squared is 1 plus 9 times minus 1 is minus 9. If we further simplify this, we'll get 4 plus 18 is 22 minus 1 minus 9 is minus 8. So minus 8 minus 8 is plus 8. So 22 plus 8 is 30. So this is our final answer. That is the finite integral. That is the integral that has limits. So if you substitute, after integration, you will substitute the limits. So you will end up getting a single value like this. So thank you for listening.